Hello viewers, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share this recipe of greens rasam or greens curry, what we make in my house. So for this I have boiled lobia and greens. You can see I'm adding greens here. Along with this I have taken one onion and 1.5 tomato. So I'm boiling this along with greens. So when this is getting boiled, we will make chutney which we make for this green curry. So I'll be sharing the recipe. Before that, you can see this is boiled and this is how it looks. So now for chutney I am taking jeera, dry roasting it. Then I am roasting pepper here, about 2 tablespoons each. So I'm just dry roasting these and keeping it aside. This is basically a premix chutney we make for greens rasam. So I'm dry roasting all the ingredients first and then adding it one by one. You can see the chilies is roasted very nicely. So I'm just taking it off. So I have roasted green chilies here and I'm keeping it aside. So let me take you through the ingredients now. So you can see boiled lobia, greens and 1.5 tomato and 1 onion, all boiled. That's how the consistency should be. I've taken around 1.5 to 2 cups of water. I'm taking tamarind here, lemon ball, lemon-sized tamarind ball. Then these are the ingredients: garlic, coriander, green chili, pepper, and cumins and dry curry leaves. Little salt. So today I'll be grinding all these in stone grinder. So I am doing it for the first time. So let me also teach you. In the meantime, I'm making steam rice along with this curry, and this I've taken half a cup of rice, and I will be making rice to go with this curry. So I'm just taken half cup of rice, washed it nicely, and kept it for cooking. Adding salt as per the taste. So as I said, I'll be making this chutney. I'll be making chutney in this today. I'm using stone grinder. So I have dry roasted all the ingredients and I'll be adding one by one to grind it. First let's start with dry ingredients. So I'm taking jeera and pepper. You can see how it gets pounded. Should keep pushing little by little and keep grinding it so that it will get grinded. I have pounded jeera and pepper to this consistency. Now I'll be adding rest of the ingredients. I'll start with garlic here. After the garlic is slightly ground, I am adding green chilies. I'll be adding ingredients one by one so that it's easy for me to grind. As you see, green chili is ground to certain extent, so I'll be adding coriander leaves now. In the meantime, my rice is also boiled and it's ready for steaming, so I'll keep it for steaming. So I have kept the rice for steaming and I'll give the steam for at least 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, my chutney is ready. It took me around 10 minutes to grind this chutney. You can see the consistency. It should be like this. So I'm taking chutney into bowl. So in the same grinder, I will be using the boiled tomatoes and onion to grind. Along with this, I'll be adding little amount of greens and the lentils what I have boiled. There's another step of making this rasam which is important. We have to strain the lobia and greens mixture and separate the water. So as you can see, I have put lentils and greens to strain, and those are the water So I can see the consistency of this boiled ingredient. I am not grinding it too soft. I am not making it into a smooth paste. I will just do it coarsely so that it can combine with the water what we have strained. So you can see the consistency of the paste. This is how it should look. So I'm just taking out this ground paste. So I've taken out the mixture what I grinded. So I'm just taking 1 cup of water and just cleaning it off so that I can use this water in greens rasam. That's the ground mixture and the water which I have taken, and this is the green chutney what we had made and soaked tamarind. As you can see, the water is strained now. So I'll be adding the ingredients one by one. In goes the ground paste of greens, lentils and tomato onion. So now I'm adding chutney, the spicy one. You can add it as per your taste as it will be too spicy, so please be mindful of adding it as per your taste. And then I'll be adding tamarind pulp. So mix it well. You can make it watery as per your desire, like I'll make it little thick but not that watery, but you can add water as per your taste. So I'm mixing it well here. So the curry is ready. The beauty of this curry is we don't use any oil or no tampering done, no tadka given. So we will have it as is. As I'm obsessed with mangoes these days, so why should mango be behind? So I'm adding a teaspoon of mango for taste. It's optional, you can add if you need. So I'll be frying greens and lentils. For that I'm chopping 2 onions here, medium size. So I'm using around 2 tablespoons of oil here. So once oil is heated, I'll be adding chopped onions. So for frying these greens, I have taken dry coconut and I'll be adding some cloves and red chilies to it and grind it coarsely. So you can see the consistency post grinding how it looks. I'll be showing you in some time. So onion is pink now, so I will be adding this coarsely ground coconut and other mixtures. So this is how the consistency should be. So I'll be adding some salt and red chilies along with this, and I'll be adding the greens behind. So once salt is added, mix it well and add the greens. Now is the right time to add the mixture. I've added boiled lentils and greens, and I'm mixing it very lightly so that it should not lose its texture, it should not become watery. So my pureel is ready. Let me serve it and show you. So this is the final look. My greens curry pureel is ready. I've served it with a ragi ball and rice along. This is my first long video. Please try and let me know how it comes out. Thank you.